waste boy who I try to style up Mrs. Holness. Me have to put him in place, you understand? But me never want come down left you up there. You see, I say, but me appreciate how you put them in them place, because them things are them corner you, you know. Them things that they have, you was a weak fence, you know. They thought you were a weak fence. You see me, I say, so them come and tell, them come with them bag of lies, and they thought you were a weak fence. You see? So, me appreciate your intelligence, and me appreciate the fact, say, you know, you do your research and you do your studies. And yesterday on neighbor platform, trust me, I was driving I was driving like 2 hours to pick up my daughter, and I listened to you. You kept me awake. Trust me. You understand me? I say, yeah, man, I appreciate the reasoning yesterday. And you broke down something when I always a reason for, you know, me always talk about it. But I couldn't connect the dots them like how you connected the dots them yesterday, sister. Zane, I couldn't connect the dots. And if you have a time, I will bring you up on the platform, the people them understand why we even talk about this. I couldn't connect the dots them and something you said yesterday. But that I look more down at the program. Just stick around because more, you know, the people them here, you know. Yeah, the reasoning. And, you know, somebody tag Tari too, if you can tag Tari, because you say Tari, you know, I'm going to bring her up $2,000. $2,000 TV, big up yourself, you know, $2,000 TV, man, in a dance hall, and the man there said, labor rights trade, because the man say a prosperity train him depend. Zane? So I'm going to bring up Navi if she has, if she has the time. And if you know see Tari, because Tari is a bright little youth to go Arden, and the two of them come like a law them want to get into, you know, and government, you know. So I'm really proud of them, and we have to encourage them. Is what I say. Now, saying that to say this, yeah, the other night we were on a platform. I went on a platform the other night. As a matter of fact, I passed through and I listening, because you know, so I listen to different perspectives, and the vlogger brought me up on the platform. So I realized, say, as I go up on the platform, like, you know, the boy, them, the comrades, them, the comrades boy, them start literally just go off of me like at them time of the month. So them just start go off of me like, yo, them hormone, you know, act out of balance. So them start go off of me, and I realize, say, oh, I come off of the platform because them don't want people hear the truth. So I try as best to ignore them, but when them take it too far, you know, so I have to check them, because I don't know the boy can't style me up. I understand, because I don't do politics to feed me pit to them. Me speak. Well, of course, it eventually feed my children because of them future. But me no hustler. Me no hustler in a politics. No boy can't come send me, or nobody can send me no script or nothing. For go forward and go talk, nothing when I go so. Nobody can send me no script. Me are not the type of youth where you can me post something and you send me a money for take it down. You understand me I say? If JLP members, them member of parliaments, them are candidates, them do something wrong, me not out here defend them on it. If the boss Andrew Holness do something wrong, me not out here defend Andrew Holness on it. Because at the end of the day, me have to work for my money and to feed my children them. You understand me I say? So me not deal with the handout. So me not like the little careless boy them where a campaign the internet, you know. Yeah? Because them a look at food. Because them go here say the homosexual way the PNP a promote. The homosexual boy where they on him page a kiss up man. Where the PNP a promote. Yeah? Because the People's National Party are trying to normalize them things in our society, you know. Remember, say we don't have no problem with nobody where live them life, you know. We not go over on a people life, go tell them how to live them life. But the new risers PNP party are trying to normalize homosexuality in our community. That is the reason why them simultaneously posted them ad or them endorsement of the boy when him Gay Brian. See, the one who have problem with E. coli in the water, but him not problem with E. coli in his mouth. Yeah? Him, yeah? Are the one where them a try push on the people them, so the rest of them want come now Like Vice of the Nation them where Vice of the Nation against the Prime Minister and out there disrespect the Prime Minister and the Prime Minister's wife. Because him say Andrew Holness not legalize homosexuality in Jamaica. And these are not things where me make up. These are things where them say. Yeah? So when them here say, when them hear the candidate now, see? Yeah, when they made the candidate for St. Anne said, call the boy name and said, him in the $1 billion purse. Him a part of the $1 billion purse for content. See? The people, the new People's National Party, the Risers Party, want us, the taxpayers of this beautiful country, we work hard, whether through property taxes or whatever taxes we pay in the country, or food taxes, whatever taxes we pay in the country. See? They want to tell us that they're going to take our tax dollars and get to Gabriel and them for create content, yeah, content creators, or for endorse or for enhance their platforms. What is so special about these gay men platform? Yeah, what's so special about it? What you want the kids them to do? Like now we have children, and it's important for the children them to hear this because we don't want them draft the narrative and put forward them things out there for the impressionable mind pick up on it and things that normal. See? Yeah. So what them do? They must send you the youth them, or send the people them, or send the parents them. Can notice the big old sour woman. I don't want to use them word. The big old the one them where cuss Mrs. Holness. Yeah. When they come on the internet and sit down on the edge of them bed, them belly on the floor. See? Real thing, and I make it up. That's something I see. Them sit down on the edge of them bed and them belly on the floor. Yeah, that's something I see. I can show you. Get up every day and cuss Mrs. Holness for them go walk around them house or walk around the block and lose some weight. Yeah? Them come and they catch on the edge of the bed and them belly on the floor. So. And then deal with and disrespect Mrs. Holness, who is a qualified woman, who is a hard-working woman, who is a woman get up and go work, who is a woman who has served this country here. Yeah? Them get up every day. Zine, group up together with them type of people there. Because all of them, what's the common denominator? The whole of them hear about this purse, this $1 billion purse, and the whole of them want us now to believe, say, it is okay to give to the homosexual community and the tear down Mrs. Holness and Miss Rhoda Crawford community. They want us to believe that it is okay for them to take your tax dollar and give to them, your $1 billion tax dollar and give it to them. But that is not the main thing you must look at. Why it is so important for them go around on a political platform and talk about this gay man platform, because they want the youth them to go over there with the impressionable mind, and they want every youth now to be emasculated and walk around and hey, a PMP me say, a PMP me say, hey. Yeah, that them want Andrew Holness a thief, Andrew Holness a thief, him a thief, and him have to come down, and that them want you go over there. The youth them, they want the children, them, the younger generation, and the youth them, the impressionable mind. They want to go over them boy a platform, and them woman you will sit down on the edge of them bed with them belly on them floor platform with them harbor them too. Can notice what going on, you know? The woman with the belly on the floor, the big woman when they want to get up and go walk around the house and walk around the block. Them harbor them, hey, over them platform. You see? So that are the target audience where the People's National Party are bring forward now. People we are trying to tear down the Prime Minister and wife. The people them where them put in places we can trace, because remember saying no, they're not on the platform, you know. We were on the platform with the sister, with the young sister, you know, the other night on the platform, Navi. We were on the platform with her, and if I hear the boy them I try to talk to her, I have to tell the boy them some real things one night and make them know, say, yo, nastiness, you don't go disrespect her tonight, you know. Zin? But what do you think up now? Them know say, no intelligent youth, no intelligent Jamaican youth, no youth we have sense. Them can't get to use them for go on TikTok and go on digital platform, go trace. Go to trace Andrew Holness and Mrs. Holness and Rhoda them. Because any boy I want to see company internet and trace Mrs. Holness and Rhoda them not straight. No guy want to see get up come on internet and go on live at disrespect Mrs. Holness them. Them don't know Mrs. Holness from now. Them don't know Rhoda Crawford them from now. Them just know so them in a government and them are sir. You will never hear nobody come on my platform and disrespect Mark Golden wife and Mark Golden children them. Me not accept that on my platform. You understand me? I say Mark Golden children and them wife off limit. And Mark Golden are the problem when me have with the Risers party. Because Mark Golden is lie. Mark Golden is racist. Mark Golden is misogynistic. And Mark Golden is jealous of the black man. And Mark Golden is the one who orchestrated the attempted political assassination of Andrew Holness. And the character assassination of Andrew Holness. And Mark Golden at the head of that stream. So me as a black man, when know what it takes to work hard and invest my money, because enough people come in and music and make money and broke like dog and dead broke too. Me as a youth to make we used to make the 5,000 and the 10,000 a show them and the 8,000 a show. Before artists start get $1 million and them something and 200,000 and 300,000 for sure. We used to work and get $5,000 and $6,000 and $7,000 and $10,000. And now through the artists them, you know, the business kind of are going in a good direction now. And we are getting more money for stage show. But me used to get my 5,000 and my 4,000 and my 6,000 and my 10,000 them and what me do? I save them. I save them and I buy land. Me invest some and lose some in a stocks and all them things. But that's how it go when you invest money. You see? So them can't accept say a black man, a youth to come from poor beginnings in a Spanish town could reach where him reach, have some money, and take care of children them. Every time them come on internet, I disrespect the man youth them. Like them don't want the man youth them to have nothing. Now who are the head of this? Who are the head of that? Mark Golden orchestrated that. We personally believe, say, the Integrity Commission that was orchestrated by Mark Golden, are him the main architect for the Integrity Commission. We personally believe, say, the Integrity Commission is in bed with the Risers Party to tear down Andrew Holness. We believe so, and we have a lot of reasons to believe that. Case in point, the forensic report, we just now, under pressure, $30 million from your tax dollars was used to investigate the Prime Minister, to investigate his finances and his means of getting his finances. And just imagine this. Something like that, the court had to subpoena it. Una joker, man. So we must just stand aside and say, yeah, man, we are artists, man, and we're not busy with that, man, because we don't know politics and we don't want to lose fans. I mean, fans go on when I go if you don't want to go on. But we know, say, at the end of the day, we can't dead and carry $1 with we to the grave. And we know, say, what is going to matter is if we did say something when something was to be said. Because evil prevails when good people stay silent. So we said the Integrity Commission, that was designed by Mark Golden, according to him. We see them all on a report where we believe said that would have exonerated the Prime Minister and that would have showed the world that the Prime Minister involved no illegal and no corruption, no illegal activities and no corruption. But them hide the report. How you going to send a report where you say completed to Parliament without one of the main part of the report? The forensic report. You go get forensic experts to investigate our Prime Minister, and you tell me say you remove that from you omit that from the report that you sent to Parliament. Then when you must think say something you hide. You want to tell me that if you did find something on Andrew Holness and it was in that report, if you want to put it in, you not about say you want schedule expense. That's why you not certify the Prime Minister for schedule expense. Then the Prime Minister just over Spanish Town a while ago. And a juice man, I send him juice, and the Prime Minister said, give me the whole bucket. You know want that too? The Prime Minister remember how much money he pay for that? The man said, give me the whole bucket, give me the whole drum. And the juice them, because give everybody juice. You know want them little, so you know the want something. Now we see how the Prime Minister operates. So when you ask the schedule expense, you want to know how much money he spend over Spanish Town like while for the juice them when he just give everybody for drink. Because because the juice man, they never have no machine for receive payment. So that juice man, he would have to give him cash. Hey, Prime Minister, go down at it. And next thing the Prime Minister go put on paper, say, oh, you know, so me the girl at the bar, they spend 5,000. I want to run, go investigate the bartender, and here say 4,000. When I say, oh, him tell lie, say 5,000, spend on 4,000. I want to have it to the local surrogate them. I want to look homosexual, them want to pay on the internet to tear him down. So back to what me really I say. My problem is not with Mark Golding's family. My problem is with Mark Golding. And the way how him try. Because I can try. I'm going to try and can't try now. Or him try to destroy the Prime Minister. Because that's all him can do is try. You see? And we see the house Negroes them, what him can't do nothing wrong for. If he cuss bad word, yeah man, you not take it out of context. I'm now make we legalize bad words. When him cuss a bad word, but when Warmington cuss it, police come lock him up. We want the police them to come and arrest Warmington, but when Mark Golding cuss it, yo, you know, she said, when I put in a context, because I never did say it out loud. You can't use ignorance and break the law. So even if you never mean to say a bad word, enough time I say bad word on stage, I didn't mean to say it. And the vibe is nice and I say it. The police are going to tell me, say, oh, put in a context. You never mean to say it. No, they are going to tell me, say, I have to pay a fine. But for you, the house Negro, you don't have no problem with Mark Golding a cuss bad word, but you have a problem with the black man where a cuss bad word because you hate yourself. You hate your own self. You coming like big face, big nose. You Blair, when a shame to put on in camera and show say film knows the wrong ya so, but in the platform when they material on the Prime Minister about him knows. You hate yourself. You know shame to put on your platform for show so you knows the way out ya so. But you cuss another black man because you say film knows big. You hate yourself. You hate yourself to the point you don't care if the white man put chain around the black man, make you find excuse say I never that him mean. I never that him mean for do. It's a skit. He might point out say Andrew Holness have in a slavery. Wish white man throughout history see no black man I enslave nobody. I run go take off a chain off of them neck. When that happen? When since the descendant of slavers, of people who own slaves, are come now for free we from slavery. When not give you some of the money when get out when get out from the parents money where them left, or assets or whatever when they left off of the slave trade. In four parents them where you see own slave, when not give the Jamaican people them some money, I said, these are my doings. This now me know so it was wrong for my ancestors them to own slaves and me make some money out of this thing here and me I go share up $100 million for the Jamaican people them. You come and put chain around black man neck. I talk about you free black people from slavery. Huh? Apologize for your ancestors them do first. Before you come try free nobody will want to claim say Andrew Holness are enslaved. How dare you? How dare you? Apologize to your ancestors them when they do on slaves. And I left a slave in a will to be willed to them generation. I wanna come disrespect people for Mark Golding? Untie the Mark Golding? Mark Golding will look like Romed? Mark Golding, when he look like any rum clot him, he does a walk in tongue and go so like them dagger pant. Huh? You want disrespect Mrs. Holness, dirty vice of the nation, and the woman who sit on the bed with the belly on the floor. You want to disrespect Rhoda Crawford and Mrs. Holness for that junky looking man there? Eh? We put chain round black man neck. When the ancestors used to own slave. Direct, and like you can say, oh, they are descendants of some white people. Direct parents them own slaves in Jamaica. And you come about thieving, Andrew, and time come. Because you hate yourself. And the problem when you have Andrew Holness, well, I want to say Andrew Holness have money and him a thief. Guess why? Because when you don't sue yourself, I get to whisper Andrew Holness there. When you already write off on yourself. Make them stay and no block them. When you already limit on yourself. When you already cap on yourself, I want to pick them. God bless on the picnic them. Trust me. God put him face to shine upon the picnic them because we already cap them future. Because true, we never do nothing with food no life. We no come now and cap them future because we no believe that them can work hard and reach anywhere in life. We no accept on the situation with the PMP put on in a few much years. For so many years, we now say PMP. And I know when the black man, when the ghetto youth, when the youth come from poor background, I know when him come now, and I try something to make our life better, and now when I realize that nothing not going for you. All of a sudden, you know so you want water. All of a sudden, you know so you want light. All of a sudden, you know so you want road. All of a sudden, you know so you want everything. That are necessities for people to live. You never did know all along. I see a woman on the internet, a little old lady, she says she don't have no water for over 40 years. But she still have to vote for PMP. We are on a PMP base. So when they walk, going away, we don't live up in the sky, them a look. And they own base assessor. We own comrade. Assess on the comrade leaders and we make it up. We don't want comrade leaders say when you go which part live like dog. Not even dog, because dog in a kennel with zinc panetta poison. We live like some people where never taste any form of civilization in our lifetime. I want to run back a PMP for years upon years upon years. And I say so. Go take up that within the PMP party when I support for so many years. And when this money come now, and I say, you know, so you can learn to make ends meet by your own. But see an opportunity here. Go learn a skill. You hate the man. You want me to support Mark Golding where I'm telling us say he might go build house going in a swampland without no engineering report. Because anybody in a construction or anybody have no sense. No, say if you go build in a swamp, let's say we're not going to say it can't build in a swamp. But for you to just go and look at a swampland and say you go build house there, then obviously you take it comrades them for idiot. I don't have no problem. As a matter of fact, him telling us say Andrew Holness want to take uno lower than the lower one there. I want to take that as a compliment. Andrew Holness want to take you lower than how low you are. And that Mark Golding say, he man say uno low. Me know I go twist that too and say, yeah, we're low for true, we're low on fuel, we're low on food. because we suffer from inferiority complex. And that's how we suffer from, you know. And see, I idiot, yeah? Militants by Portmore ask me Portmore what. Because you never hear the part of me say, yo, if you're going to even build past swamp, you need engineering report. You're just so dumb that you nyam off the part of the message I'm just saying. No? You totally nyam off that, and I go draw a parallel with Portmore. You go draw a parallel with Portmore when a man just come look on the swamp and tell us, say, yeah man, over there we are going to build 500 house without no farmer report from an engineer. You know what I'm saying? No sense, bro. And you swear say you make a great point. You swear say yo, right now you think you comment shot, you know. Because you go up on the camera them platform and say the same thing. Oh, fuck more and a swamp too. And you go feel like say, boy, me make a great point. When a man just come look on a swamp land and say, I'm going to build over there. And you don't know where under there. Furthermore, I'm going to remove the elements them from the river to dump up over there. So what happened to the river? What's going to slow down the waterway when the river come down? You know, so we don't have no sense, Virgin. And when people attack, we don't come and we don't have no shame, we don't have no sense, we don't just totally suffer from inferiority complex because we're not able to decipher anything what this man say because him white and him right. Yeah, man, the white man says so, from the white man says so, yeah, man, that's true. From the white man says so, it can't happen. That's a problem, you know? So again, we don't have a problem with Mark Golding's family. No. Mark Golding's wife and children off limit. I mean, implore all I labor right them. And so far, labor right, I respect you totally. I've never gone on a platform. I hear chuck them, chopper them, lashika them, winner them. Tavi, me never get on a platform yet. I hear Tavi them I disrespect Mrs. What's her name? Golding. Never yet. Me hear all people all put all things out and talk about we not entertain it. But what gonna be no excuse? Oh, Rhoda Crawford and Mrs. Holness are into politics, so it's fair for you to go after them that way. So you don't go after the political party. Why you go upon the personal attack? Why not attack the lady? Why the personal attacks though on women? I know why. Me know why we not have the personal attack on the women them in the Jamaica Labour Party. I know why. Because you know hear the homosexual I get the endorsement and you want to act as gay as you can. So you can get the attention too. You don't know say if you come on the internet and trace people and trace women, you're gonna get the attention. You don't know so you're not gonna come like the certified mad one who start spread rumor upon the woman. Forget the attention because you hear say he might get money weekly. I want to see say Mark Golding when I respect Unwa's comrades, not even have no respect for the Jamaican people them. Much less uno. He just go on this certified madman platform and we not make no fun of nobody we mad or have mental issues because it's a serious thing. But when you have mental issues, it means if you go out there and I behave them way there and I disrespect people. And I attack people personal life. But Mark Golding them embrace and endorse another homosexual. Yeah. Facts. Breaking news. Mark Golding renounce citizenship. Which part you get the information? One flashlight. Pan the homosexual platform. The certified mad homosexual platform Mark Golding got carried such information we're supposed to share with the Jamaican people on a reputable platform. Mark Golding send give information to the PMP paper, the national PMP paper, and go on the certified madman homosexual platform with a flashlight. See it there, right there, so yeah man, see it there, yes man, yeah man. Yeah man, I'm from August, I do this thing, you know. And you as a Jamaican people of here. So if you never want figure up on the shaky man platform, because you know want go in a shaky turf or shaky territory, you as a Jamaican, you know, see that, you know. You want to vote for this man and you don't know, you can't see it. Because you're not gonna go on that platform to nobody see you over there and go say you're over shaky people platform. And you are gonna vote for a man when you come forward and show you say him renouncing British citizenship when did that tell lie about? When I tell lie, say him go to American, him go to Jamaican embassy, go get a visa for go to England when he had a British passport. You are gonna vote for a man who go up on a homosexual platform. Yeah? Figure show say and in can come try sue me to become member. Say me hear you on your platform and say if you're a man did a blah blah blah. Me hear you cause the man they clip it and say yeah. So no waste the time. No waste the time. And we not no problem with people where I live them life. Because of your life, we not no problem with you. But when you're out here be mischievous and I get problem, you go get the same beating where straight people get. Worse if you love E. coli in your water, you're going to get beaten same way, you're not half limit. You have to understand that, brethren and sisters. But at the respect we are talking about Mark Golding have a problem, you know. I don't know why we don't take it up now and go off all Andrew Holness and Andrew Holness' wife and me. I never have a problem when I beat Andrew Holness, you know. Because Andrew Holness decides he want on Prime Minister and want to go into politics and know say dirty sports, you know. So him prepare for this and Andrew Holness back broad, I don't have to defend Andrew Holness. But I have to talk up for the sisters, them want to attack them personal life. Just you don't want to look as gay as you can, so you can get money out of the $1 billion. You hear the homosexual boy get endorsement. You come on platform and disrespect the woman them. What kind of straight man get up and disrespect woman just something nothing at all? And I like Mrs. Holness say something about you and say something against another. I don't like nothing like that. Like me last. When people like Alvaro, me listen to Alvaro and as though him tell enough lie and them thing, at least me like a little reasoning. I'm listen to Alvaro, I'm listen to Vice of the Nation. I'm surprised the Vice of the Nation have a woman with her belly on the ground, sit up on the edge of her bed. I disrespect the Prime Minister wife, them type of way, and him there, they kin off him teeth and a kick on him platform. I'm lost. If a woman come with her belly on the floor, on the edge of her bed with her belly on the floor, first thing, you cannot come on my platform. Come disrespect no woman with your belly on the floor. And I'm not like, me don't know if it equal to what them I do if me I say that, but when me I say, is the truth. When I say about Mrs. Holness, them I wrote a crap for them, I do something when I make up to a misogynistic. It must be called out. You wake up every morning with your belly on the floor. I disrespect other women. Come on, sister. Let's go walking. Let's go walking, sister. Me think that there's a better way to channel your anger. Me think that there's a better way to challenge whatever happened to you in life. Why you think you need to do this? Because, trust me, enough of we have mental problems. Enough of we want a psychiatrist. Enough of we, no, but there must be a better way to chat. If you're overweight, if you're obese, me understand, say, yeah, you love food, me understand. When me stress, me want food too. Me I dig down the fridge. You see? So I understand people get stressed and all of them things and them overeat and them things, but come on, you can't have your belly on the floor and not talk about Mrs. Holness them way there. You cannot have your belly on the floor and not find it funny if you talk about Mrs. Holness' feet. Me not understand. And then these grown men, then when grown men, they are kiki and a laugh up. I make you think, say, you're getting somewhere when you have 19-year-old Navi. Cross that and list to that. It solidify her stance on politics. Say, yo, she don't want to see PMP risers for the rest of her life. She's forever scarred by PMP for your own sit down on a platform, a kiki, and a disrespect Rhoda Crawford and Mrs. Holness. For no reason at all. And so when I say Rhoda no work hard, because you know say Rhoda work very, very hard. When you have no, and so when you say Mrs. Holness work hard because she work very hard. And Mark Golding are the one we attacked Mrs. Holness position in a politics. Mark Golding started it, you know. Again. Fake, misogynistic, racist, lying. Mark Golding started this, opened the doors for people to attack Mrs. Holness. Because when she was Deputy House Speaker, Mark Golding never have a problem with it. And them love to talk about Constitution and Constitutional Court, and they did not have a problem with her when she was Deputy House Speaker, and if it was constitutionally wrong. If she violated or breached the Constitution, they would have taken it to court because they love run that court for everything. So they knew that Mrs. Holness, based on the Constitution, there was no breach for her to be House Speaker. When them say, oh, she close to the Prime Minister's wife, she shouldn't be House Speaker. Then look how much family members who are House Speakers and then people are serving a Parliament. And even if it were another Labour right as House Speaker, what was going to be the difference? You believe a next Labour right woman was going to be House Speaker and side with the PMP to bring down the Andrew Holness? What the difference with Mrs. Holness and another Labour right? No, and Mark Golding knew this. Him knows, as a matter of fact, I would rather have Mrs. Holness oversee everything be the House Speaker, because she's going to make sure that she not err. So people can see it at her husband. And so far she has done that. No, you see, look at this, you know, people. Look at this, you know. To date, since them started attacking Mrs. Holness, talk the truth, people, PMP, if you don't want to drop down and dead, we tell lie. Like the people in the Bible, the man and the woman in the Bible will tell lie and God kill them. If you don't want them to talk the truth. Since they started attacking Mrs. Holness, show me something what Mrs. Holness do. If you want to say, she shouldn't be House Speaker. She went as far as trying to clarify. Because she didn't want to breach the Constitution. She went as far as to clarify from the Attorney General before she made any decision to collect a document from the Auditor General. She makes her and say, me want if I meet to come to, you know. Because based on when I read, it not to come to me first. And she went to the Attorney General. And the PMP thought she had something hiding. They wanted the report where she got talk to the Attorney General about. And when the Attorney General released the report, when the report was released, nothing. Not the Glean and the carrot. I think Lena the can't remember. But you know the surrogates them I talk about it. You know hear nobody I talk about it. Them just mump on it. Because there was nothing that she went to the Attorney General for that them couldn't did see. As a matter of fact, it even looked better upon she because she went to get clarification. So tell me, what has she done to date? For you to say, oh, she shouldn't in a position there. So unnecessary Mark Golding attack upon her was not warranted. We don't say that. But he knew that nothing never wrong Mrs. Holness to be our speaker, but of course he have to drag her down because the next black woman will rise from nothing to something. And him desensitized the comrades them to a point where we not even realize we're not helping at the tear down. Of one of our sisters and brothers them. We're not demon. I want to come back and say, theater politics and goddamn music. Goddamn music. And I get that hit song. Goddamn music. Look how long you get that hit song. Like, even if me get another hit song right now, it going to change your life. It not going to change your life. You know why? Because if me get a hit song and you come to me not give you no handout. Me I go say, we want to go to school? You want to go to school? You want me help you with a school fee? You want to buy some books? You want to go raise some fall? And that me I go say to you, show me the cube. Show me the damn cube. Because you go come to me now, say you want to sing thing, and the next thing you come and me no give you, you go try put bullet in me. So me not interested for even forward. You see? I'm not interested. For even come to me get a hit song, it don't make a difference. I just me I go make more money, you know. If you act as if say you tell me if you go find a song. Go find a hit song. Like it a go benefit. Or it a go benefit you. And me to benefit. So why would you hate me so much that you don't want me to talk about politics and don't want me to talk about my country? And defend which part me say the trajectory where me see country are going. But you want me to find a hit song. You know, see, you know no sense. You have to pray for me not sing no more. You have to say, oh Lord Jesus, pray no make him sing no more. No make him sing no more song, Lord. Lord, no make him sing no more because I don't want to make no more money. And that you have to pray for. Navi, send me a request if you're there in the life still. Please. Because it is important for me to point out 17-year-old Tari and 19-year-old Navi who are standing up for them country. A big old man like me. What could have been them father? Why would I not be standing up? When I see children on the internet till 4 o'clock in the morning and stand up for them country. Why a grown man like me? Because of career and music and fame. So I'm to pride. I'm to dignity. I'm to ambition. Because the children. What could I in them bed asleep or go on a movie? I go and play a game. I go and study. They on internet till 4 o'clock a morning time. I try to educate them fellow students, them age group, and older people. And me shy away from the responsibility, yeah? Me run from this at this time. This time when we are I don't know why. Lashika. I don't know why me not say. Lashika, see if you can start that something for me now. Because I'm not seeing the I'm not seeing the I'm not seeing the box them. Me don't really get a hold of that TikTok something at so good yet, you know. Let me see. Can you send a request, Navi? Lashika, if you're in the box, try sort out something for me, please. Yeah. So if you can start off for me, Lashika, my general. It's like, as a father, yeah? As a father, how could I see children, children, they on the internet, attack up for what happened in the country. My country when I grew up in, me used to go to school barefoot. Me I walk from Pigeon Valley, yeah, to Oberlin School. Me used to live near Cassava River. So me I walk from way down in a Pigeon Valley to go to Oberlin, barefoot. See? So me could have come from that to know me read someone in life and hear children attack other children within my position, in my situation, where the poor like me can have an opportunity to make something out of them with them life. And me, I lock up now one corner about career and riches. When I hear that, man, I'm mad on a madman. I'm mad on a mad.
Veggie, you need to adjust the moderator so me can.
I'm mad on a madman.
You request them.
Never.
You request them.
All when me have my last breath. Take everything if you don't want back a career, take it. If you need support, if comrades, can enough time here on the chat, you know, yo, me used to rate the man in the star, I can't believe say the man out there say labor at me, so rate the man, you know. Yo, me never rate the man again. Take back. Where you want back? Show me what ticket where you pay if you come and want show. Let me just give you, me reimburse you.
Veggie, me can't add nobody.
Lashika, why me not see the people them?
You need to edit my moderator.
See box
so
man
add.
Lashika do it. Alright, let's go and do your thing, sister.
No.
Bring out
edit my moderator. Edit it so me can't add.
Nothing.
Edit it so me can add people.
Come on,
edit it so me can add.
Want to understand this responsibility here? Well, we as Jamaicans supposed to embrace this responsibility here. The people that will mean well for this country here. The people that when I suffer from cognitive dissonance, where when you see something you know, say you have evidence that you can't deny evidence. If you see evidence and I deny it, you have cognitive dissonance.
Are you hearing me?
And at that I go on. You can't see 100 JUTC bus, new bus, I come put per road. I say nothing now go on. You can't have a fleet of bus where the average age is 14 years old. In the JUTC before the new bus them forward. But yet still you go try go against a 10-year-old bus. When you have a 14-year-old bus in the system. You go against something where have 4 years better lifespan than where you are subscribed to. You can't say you go get rid of, you know what, a 10-year-old bus. But the Pro Box, when they want to pick you up, basically it chassis them on the ground. And the wheel them ball. And the driver them a shoot round for alive people. That is something that a sickness, you know. That are you unable to just decipher or understand simple things. Are you gonna go against a vehicle with a 10-year-old, but you never have a problem with a vehicle with a 14-year-old and a set of vehicle with average 14 to 18-year-old. Me still try to figure out what are the comrades' problem with the school bus. Me know what me know say on conformed to the cult. Me understand that. Me know say if people them like Vice and the Nation, them and Alvaro, them and Cash and them and the new one, them now will rise up. And some of them come now, we never see yet, I hear them, we don't pay attention. Some of them come and put up green, and I say them neutral. But when you're listening on them platform, them not green, I just feel draw you in. So they can build them audience. So when the money are share up, them say, I was out there campaigning too. Come on, people. Me I don't know so the money not go run. We know the PMP not go give no vlogger no $1 billion. We know that. Nope. Uno not get no a lie. Not a lie. Take off back on a long panty. And go masculine up on yourself again. Take off on a tracing drawers. And masculine up on yourself again. Mark gold in a lie. And not going no money. Go get a work. Go get a job, bro. Mark Golden not going no $1 billion lie. Mark Golden he promise say he must start foundation with $10 million. Figure the workers them and me never hear a worker come forward it and say they get $200. Yeah. Mark Golden lie. Him not giving Uno no money. Mark Golden not gonna give Uno no money for a vlog. A lie. Him just I use him and I use him, brother. Me see one send you at a ball. Me say I be a false teeth na fee mouth. When you want to redo your teeth, them, we have the program in Jamaica for how Andrew Holness implemented for you come fix back your teeth if one of them break. And lie, ma go and lie too, no say ma go no money. Someone run up on the farmer ticket and hide in Canada, And someone hide in our house in America, because Donald Trump look funny, So when I try to, someone want to come back to Jamaica and turn criminal, but come. Someone run and they are trying to hide from Donald Trump, but you know say Donald Trump have the ice. I look everywhere for and people are inform and I get money off of you think so and that's why you hate Andrew Holness, because no for want to come back and think so can come back don't come go in a crime and violence, What? A judge or maker go on a Jamaica. Judge or maker. That's why when the dog shit upon the internet, excuse me language, I talk about, the police, them are kill off the innocent youth, them through election a come. Police are kill off innocent youth. Make Trump deport I wanna think when come down here. I wanna think when come down here, come pick up no badness and things said down here, the same Jamaica where wanna run we left. Come! That's why I'm not against the police, them. That is the reason why I'm not against the police, them.
I don't know.
Come. Forward. Andrew Holness said, judge or maker. So one of the part gonna take up this thing and also want to decide to come and decide to terrorize people on social media because if you want Mark Golden getting a power. Think twice. Because any time when you get deported from Canada, England, or when Donald Trump ice Wolono, you want to make sure say, you want to ensure say Mark Golden in a power because PMP soft pan crime? Come. But guess what? We have a duty to play. We have a duty to perform. We have a role to play to make sure say Andrew Holness stay in the power so when you come and decide say a badness you no want go come, you no want to learn a skill and integrate in a society the proper way. With their phone, no. You think like Gleaner can save you, no? Eh? You think like Gleaner and comrades can save you, no? A judge Jamaica go on a Jamaica and we have technology, we are listening to no conversation them too. Me no get that from the government. I just me know so the Pegasus is there. Yes! Everything interconnected. So when I plan to go rob bank and plan to go rob beryllium, yeah, we are here. Come. Suck your mother. Yes, man. Come, Judge Jamaica. Yes, SYM all day, brother. Come. Come, the security force have some SYM gun. Lashika, tell them about the SYM gun where security force have. Where and the one named Judge Jamaica. Yeah? Come in and come talk about SYM. And nobody knows say we have some gun where police them, the security apparatus get some new gun when name SYM and Judge Jamaica. Come. Yeah, campaign about time come. No man, you come. Left when Donald Trump won't wanna hide in a house. Belly a floor. When Donald Trump kick you out, come think say you can come be no Dan woman down here. Eh? We have 4th Augustus I wait for you. Come. Yeah? Hi Navi, how are you?
Doing fine. You
Hello?
said you wanted to.
Navi?
Hello? Are you hearing me?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Can you hear me, Navi?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Alright, I'm not sure if your microphone is off. Lashika, check out what I go on. Because I not hear Navi. How I go on that's up me, man?
Are you hearing me?
Lashika, check if you can find what let me see what I go on. Microphone good. Me don't know what I go on, Navi. Come at the comrades them I give you a fight.
Are you hearing me?
No, I'm not hearing her. Una can hear her? Me not hear Lashika, me not hear Navi.
You're not
No, but
here.
me not hear her. Why me not hear her? Jaja.
I don't know.
Alright, let me take a note and bring it back. Because I not hear Lashika neither. So let me try bring them in as well. You see it, Lashika come off. I invite Lashika. Me say about Navi.
You hear me now?
Lashika, can you hear me now?
I'm hearing you, but you're not hearing me.
Lashika?
I think something is
Nah,
wrong with
hear
your
us.
mic. Mic.
Check. 1, 2.
Mic.
1, 2.
Yo.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yo, this microphone a star. Turn up your phone, Vegas. I turn up my phone. The guest already gone offline. Try again. Connecting.
Are you
Abby?
hearing me now?
What the hell is happening? Yeah, something must be done, but I didn't do anything. I didn't do that thing, you know. And the wickedest thing, I do have any headphone for this. Hold on there. You can invite Navi to turn on her microphone. Oh, you say microphone again in 56 seconds. Okay. Turn on Navi's microphone. They can turn on their confirm. Navi's microphone turned off. You can invite Navi to turn on. Them say turn on the mic in 44 seconds, it says. So let's see what happens in 44 seconds. He said turn on the mic in 44 seconds. So hopefully that's the issue. Yeah. When you run, come out of the wilderness now. When you run, come out of the woodwork. It must work now. It must work now. Navi?
Me?
Hi. Lashika is the greatest. She fixed it. Hi, Navi.
Hi.
You know, my platform kind of a little bit colorful, you know, so I apologize if you know, the language is a little bit colorful, but you're going to the world
If
and you're going into...
if our opposition leader can be using profanities, why can't you?
Well, as some reason, you know, because you were going on, when we have a discussion and when we have a FIU, you know, some reason you pick them, you know. Because I want them understand, so them going into a world is not a world where they're going to meet up on the same jacket and tie everywhere. You understand? So, hopefully your parents are listening. We don't really go off script. We don't really go, but words like certain words, I know it might be a little bit, you know, while PG. But
Yes.
first thing I must